Welcome to Raghu's Food Courts and Vlogs. My name is Rani and I am Radhika's sister. Today I am going to take you through our terrace garden. So let's get started. We have placed lady's finger, tomato and tulasi where we get maximum sunlight. This is the lady's finger plant. You can see lady's fingers which is ready to harvest. Flower and the fresh lady's fingers. This is a mini tulasi garden. We have placed different varieties of tulasis here. They require adequate water and sunlight for its healthy growth. A fresh set of pudina in a pot is placed in middle of this small pot because pudina is a very good insect repellent, so it can even protect the other plants from insect attack. Coriander seeds are there in this trays and they are in the germinating stage. Friends, this is our 7-layered vertical garden. We have 2 here. This one seeds are already there, and other one we have planted Brahmi. You can see those lovely Brahmi leaves. Brahmi is a creeper herb, and you have to use a small stem with roots to grow this. So just plant a small stem with roots, so it will only spread in the whole layers. And also Brahmi is known for its memory sharpening property, antioxidant and immunity booster. This tray is having spinach saplings. You can see those small spinach saplings. Pumpkin seeds are there in this tray, and we are waiting till it germinates. In this terrace garden we have used grow bags for planting. Grow bags are very economical and they will save lot of space. Method is very simple. Take the grow bags, add the potting mixture, sprinkle the seeds or even plant the saplings. Let's see in detail. In the first grow bag you can see a green chili plant. See those green chilies? In the next one you can see Mexican mint or Paniculca dodapatrella, which is known for its medicinal properties in treating cold and cough. Those are palak leaves. This is mint or pudina. You have already harvested it 2 times. Other one is green gram. Green gram seeds will be inside this. This is a double beans plant. Double beans is a climber, so we have provided net for easy climbing of this plant. Double beans will be inside this. This is another variety of spinach. So all these are there in this area. We have planted different varieties of vegetable seeds and plant seeds in these grow bags. There is a Tulasi Madam at the center of this garden. These are show plants which can be grown in small pots like this. You can even place them in your home or desk. We'll move on to our flowering garden. These are the flowering plants. First one is a jasmine plant, and this is a rose which is yellow in color. Lovely rose. Curry leaf tree, few leaves has already come. Grape jasmine or Nandiyar Vatam. One more rose, red rose plant. There are different varieties of hibiscus plants here. Flowers having colors white, magenta, red and yellow. So already one white flower is there and one magenta there, small one. Main attraction of our flowering garden is these two mini fish ponds. You have to get a cement pot for this, add fresh water, few pebbles and lily leaves, then finally those lovely fishes. You will definitely feel so happy and relaxed by seeing those tiny fishes. Few more show plants. We have used mugs and small vessels for planting this. This will add more beauty to our garden. You can also try this. In this way, we are using the available things in home itself for planting. In the corner end, we have planted Nishagandhi, the night queen, which will bloom at night with a very pleasant smell. The method of growing Nishagandhi is just plant a leaf into the pot and flowers will be coming at the tip of the leaves. In this corner, we have planted Shangu Pushpa or butterfly pea plant. How many of you know that this flower is having lot of medicinal benefits and can make a good cup of tea?
Gardening is a very good stress buster and hobby for many people. It's very easy to grow tomatoes, chilies, coriander, pudina and leafy vegetables in your home garden, that is our terrace garden, rooftop or even in the common land as well. So I request you all to do and try this in your home and comment and share your
Videos.
feedbacks with us.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Radhu's Food Courts and Vlogs for more